Here I have DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then just hold down your finger on shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you how it works. Just hold down shutter button, and after that I'm taking a burst shot of 20 summary shots. Here we can review all these shots. So yeah, here they are, our burst shots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.